sorry.
Besides, cartridges cost money. Some of us haven't got much of that to spend. It's a poor life on the moor, Sir Henry.
I'm afraid you've made a mistake. My name is Watson, though I am staying at Baskerville Hall.
With Sir Henry?
Yes.
When you see the new squire, tell him his new neighbor would like to meet him. I farm the low pastures near the hall. Have done for nearly a year. Poor land it is, too.
What name is it?
Stapleton.
Very well, I'll tell Sir Henry. I wonder, could you tell me how to get to Baskerville Hall? I seem to have lost my way.
You bear right at the fork.
Thank you.
Mr. Watson, don't step off the track or you'll find yourself in Griffin Mire. Once in there, you'll never get out.
Thank you. Good morning. I wonder, could you tell me, am I on the right path to Baskerville Hall? The track seems to end here.
Hey, watch out! The mire! Hey, I say! Cecile, come back! Hold up! Cecile! Cecile! I'll teach you to come when you're cold. Now get the cart down as near as you can. Be quick about it. Will you do as you're told, girl? I told you to watch out.
Who is that girl?
My daughter. The moor's no place for a girl.
What was she frightened of?
There's a convict escaped from the prison. I'll help you to the cart. Watch where I step.